Hi everyone, I'm back with a new recipe, and today's recipe is lemon rice. So now I'm going to tell you what are the ingredients we're going to use for the lemon rice. This is 4 cups of cooked rice. I cooked it in salt so I don't need to add later. And this is 1 teaspoon of ginger chopped. This is a pinch of sugar, and this is half a cup of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of asafoetida cayenne. You can use half a teaspoon if you don't like asafoetida. And this is red chili, green chili, and curry leaves. We take 3 sprigs of curry leaves, 2 green chili, and 4 red chili. You can add more if you want more spices. If you want it spicy. This is 1 tablespoon of cashew nut, 1 tablespoon of urud dal, and 1 teaspoon of mustard. This is roasted Bengal gram dal, and that is 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of non-roasted Bengal gram dal, that is kadala paripu, porikadla and kadala paripu. So now we're going to put oil in the pan. And then we're going to splutter the mustard and all the other ingredients like dal, urud dal, the Bengal gram dal, cashew nut. So let's let it get heated. You can have chicken, meat, mutton, or even with raita, or with curd, or with pickle, with lemon rice, and you can take it as a tiffin to work or to school. The more curry leaves you use, the better flavor you get for your lemon rice. Now we're going to splatter the mustards, and then we're going to add in all the dal, the chana dal, the Bengal gram dal, the urud dal, once the mustard gets splattered. So now we drop in all it's done. All the dals, the cashew nut, ginger, till it gets golden brown. Stir till it gets golden brown. And then next we add the curry leaves and the red chili with the green chili. If you want it a little more spicier, you can add a little more green chilies. And there's another optional which you can add a 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, and you can add fenugreek powder. That's an option, just a 1/4 teaspoon of it, coriander powder and fenugreek powder. It's an optional. When it turns golden brown, just add in the chili and the curry leaves. Now it's almost golden brown. We're going to drop in the curry leaves and the chili. Now we'll reduce the heat and drop in the turmeric powder and the hing, the kayam, hing powder, asafoetida, and stir it. Once the raw flavor is off from the oil, you can drop in the rice. Switch off the flame. Drop in the rice, the lemon juice, and the pinch of sugar. And then it will be all ready and done for serving, for packing in a tiffin to school or to work. Now I've switched on the flame and we're going to drop in the rice. The 4 cups of rice, cooked rice and salt. Stir. Pour the lemon juice. This is half cup of lemon juice. Now we're going to, the final thing is we're going to drop in there a pinch of sugar. That adds to the flavor, and stir it really well. So now your lemon rice is all ready to serve. See, the lemon rice has the yellow tinge, the yellow coloring in it because of the turmeric, which is good for health. I hope you enjoyed watching the new recipe, lemon rice. I'll be back with another new recipe. So bye for now. Please do share my recipes and watch the video in YouTube. Press the like, press the bell icon, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now from Supermom's Kitchen. If you want to reduce, if you do not want too much of lemon, you can use 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Reduce it to 1/4 cup. And reduce all the dal, the urad dal, to half a tablespoon.